Today we're making balaleet, a famous dish in many Arabic countries. Tell me in the comments if you know one of these countries' name. It's a sweet and salty dish containing sweet vermicelli and eggs. Yalla, let's start and see how it's made. We will use the vermicelli that we use for cooking. Put 1 cup in oil or ghee and fry it until it takes a golden color. Continue to mix it and don't put it on high heat to avoid burning the vermicelli. Now add a 2nd cup of vermicelli and we will add the water immediately. Now add some hot water until you see it above the vermicelli. Let it boil for 2 or 3 minutes until it starts to absorb the water and it's done. It's soft and ready to be strained from the water. Remove any excess water and return it to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, few saffron strands soaked in rose water, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and finally half a teaspoon of cardamom. Mix it over medium heat until the sugar melts. At this stage, taste it and add any sugar or cardamom if you want. Now let's prepare the eggs. Break 2 eggs into a bowl. Add some salt, some saffron strands, and some cardamom and black pepper. Mix it very well and let's put it on the pan. Preheat the pan very well, put some ghee and add the eggs. Let the eggs cook on the first side, then flip it on the other side. I will put it on the other side just for a few seconds on low heat and then I will turn the heat off and serve it. Serve the eggs over the vermicelli. First, let's put the vermicelli in a plate. Make sure it's hot. Then put the eggs directly over it like this. It's optional to decorate with some pistachio and some saffron. This dish will only take a few minutes from you to prepare. You can surprise your family by preparing this breakfast on the weekend. The combination of sweetened vermicelli and the eggs is very delicious. You can eat it like this and you can use the eggs as a bread. It's my first time trying this dish and I like it very much. I recommend trying it. And now I will make another presentation for the balaleet with you. Put the vermicelli inside the egg, form a roll and cut it like this. Now tell me in the comments which one do you like, the first one, the traditional presentation, or the second presentation? Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.